Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I just bought this product from IKEA, and then it's called, I think it's called GREJIG. Okay, so let's look at these, some of the pictures. Shoe rack here. Beside then shoe racks, then stackable like this. You can also use it as a like a portable table on top of your anywhere of your sleeping place or whatever. Okay, so it's just 15 ringgit. Okay, and then this is description. Okay, then product, sorry, okay, measurement, packaging. Okay, and then product details. Okay, material and care. Okay, then assembly instruction. Okay, that's much. Okay, and then what is tail? Read xenon. See, you can put your dishes also on top of this if you want. Okay, so I'll put the link below of the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, so this is just for me a memory in case another 10 years, then you can see back, oh, this IKEA had come out with this product. So this is the label, and then description, correction. Okay, now let's unboxing. Manual. Click. Oh, okay. Until 3 maximum cannot be seen. Can be 4. Okay. Look at the details. Huh. Can you see? Oh, it's so strong. Okay. When boom, that just a click. So goes with this. Alright, so that's it. It's tough and it's nice. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.